Oriana Guevara Aponte.
¿Es usted?
Sí, señor.
Ma'am, you were charged with theft.
La acusa con hurto, robo,
You were facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine.
de $2,000.
We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent.
Hacer silencio.
Anything you
6 months in jail, 4 incense and a blanket. This just escalated fast. Buckle up.
if you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, ma'am.
Officers were dispatched to a Walmart in Harris County, Texas, in response to a theft.
Está un hurto, robo.
The loss prevention officer told officers that the defendant placed numerous items into Walmart shopping bags that were already in her cart.
Que ya estaban en su carrito.
The defendant continued to place additional items into the bags, including a blanket and plug incense.
Y unos aerosoles.
The defendant then walked past all points of sale without paying for the
Pasando todos los puntos de
items.
venta sin pagar por los artículos.
No prior criminal
Ningún
history,
antecedente
Judge.
penal previo. ¿Cuál es el valor?
The DIMs don't say, I'm checking to see if the offense report is up.
Great to see you. Look,
We do have some discovery and I'm just seeing if one of them is the offense.
I need a value.
Necesito un valor.
Okay, yes, $218.52.
$218.52.
Ms. Guevara, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. Tell me, are you a United States citizen?
No,
Are you in this country with or without permission?
sin permiso.
Con permiso.
With permission.
I don't know whether you do or
No sé
not.
si lo
Quite
tiene o
frankly,
no.
it doesn't matter. The only thing I will tell you is that if you are not, or if there's any problem with your paperwork and you go to jail and immigration finds you,
Que la encuentra
they
ahí.
will put a detainer on you and you will be stuck in custody until this case is over with and then shipped off to immigration and sit there for another 6 to 9
Quedaría
months.
hasta unos 6
If you do not want that to happen,
That's not just a warning. That's a final strike. One step into Walmart and it's back behind bars.
I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to go to any Walmart for any reason whatsoever. Do you understand?
¿Entendió? Sí,
Sí,
señor.
señor.
Yes, sir.
If I find that you go to Walmart, I'm going to revoke your bond, put you in jail. You will not get any more PR bonds.
Cárcel no va a recibir otra cuenta personal.
Now, you have an attorney. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with Ms. Garcia. She will tell you when you have to come back to court. If she tells me she can't get a hold of you, likewise, we will issue a warrant for your arrest. We will have you sign a reset with Victoria. After that, we'll have you take a seat in the jury box while we get your bond conditions. We'll have you sign it, and after that, you'll be free to go. Heed this warning, ma'am. You will not get another one,
Esa advertencia no va a tener
Okay.
otra.
please. Thank
Hacia
you.
la izquierda. My competition.
Fight, fight, fight.
Judge, the next better speaker is J6, Jay Alvarado.
Um, Helen Tofila de Alvarado Mejia. You are Helen de Alvarado Mejia.
Yes.
Ma'am, you're charged with theft. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
Officers were dispatched to a JCPenney in Harris County, Texas, in response to a theft. The loss prevention officer told officers that he observed the defendant take various items and walk past all points of sales without paying. The officer observed this on the store surveillance. The total cost of the stolen items was $178, and the items included a smartwatch and skin products. The co-defendant in the case was arrested for possession of a controlled substance out of the same transaction and she's up in felony courts, and this defendant has no prior criminal history.
Did the other person have a theft case as well? Do you know? Or just a PCS? Because if they also charged the co-defendant with theft, we need to know what the cause number is, because it may
It
transfer.
was just a PCS, Judge.
That's it? Okay. Mr. Alvarado, I'm going to find if there's probable cause to go forward with the case. Tell me, are you a United States citizen? What happens if you go to jail, man?
Well, I don't want to go to jail.
I know,
Just say.
that's not my question.
Eso no fue mi pregunta.
What happens if you go to jail? I want you to think and I want you to realize the consequence of behavior. So tell me,
This is where immigration gets real. One mistake, and it's not just jail, it's federal custody.
Mis hijas querían apoyo,
But my daughters would
mi familia.
be without support, my family.
you're not in this country with permission.
No están en el país.
So if you go to jail and immigration finds you there, will put a detainer on you. And you're going to be in there for about 6 to 9 months. That's what you have waiting for you if you go to jail. Anything more than 4 hours, immigration sweeps it on a daily basis. I'm going to put conditions on you now. If you violate these conditions, I'll put you in jail. You will not get any more PR bonds. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
The relationship is the co-defendant to this person. Do you know?
It doesn't seem, Judge.
Okay. I'm ordering you not to have any contact with this person. I'm also ordering you not to go back to JCPenney.
Regresar a JCPenney.
If you violate these conditions, likewise, you know what's going to happen. You will not get any more warnings from us.
So no contact with the co-defendant
Yeah,
or store,
or going to the JCPenney.
any other JC.
Yeah, any JCPenney. Tell me, ma'am, what do you do for a living?
Trabajo en remodelación.
I work in remodeling.
Do you have a steady income?
¿Tiene ingresos estables?
No.
No.
Apply for an appointed lawyer.
¿Quiere aplicar por un abogado de oficio?
Sí.
Yes.
Okay, we'll give you an application.
Alguna aplicación.
I need you to fill it out. I need to know everything about you. Do not just leave everything blank. I will send it right back to you. I need to know numbers. I need to know how much money you have coming in a month. I need to know how much money you spend. We'll have you take a seat in the jury box while you do that. Do not leave until you sign our bond conditions. Otherwise, I'll issue one for your arrest as well. And then
De otra manera,
we'll take a look at the application here shortly. Please, yeah. Anytime someone's not monitored.
First up is Oriana, caught red-handed outside a Walmart in Harris County, Texas. Loss prevention officers watched her stash items, blankets, plug-in sets, into shopping bags from her car and walk right past the checkout without paying. No criminal record, but that didn't buy her any sympathy. The judge was clear. One more step into a Walmart and she'd land back behind bars. And for someone not born in the U.S., the consequences could go beyond jail. Immigration might step in, and that could mean months in federal custody or even deportation. The judge gave her a shot at freedom but also a sharp warning. No more mistakes. Then came Helen. Her case? Nearly identical, just a different store, JCPenney. She tried to walk out with nearly $200 worth of goods, including a smartwatch and skin products. Her partner in crime? Already up in felony court for drug charges. Helen had no prior record, but her immigration status was questionable too. The judge didn't hold back. He laid it out plainly. Get caught again, and jail time won't be your only worry. Immigration checks daily, and even a few hours behind bars could trigger a months-long detention. So what's the real takeaway here? Petty theft isn't so petty when you add immigration risk, court fines, and the long-term damage to your future. All for items that barely add up to a few $100s. The smarter choice? Walk away. If you're struggling, ask for help. There are programs out there. But stealing costs far more than what you think you're getting. Stay alert, stay honest, and don't let one impulsive decision ruin everything.